If you want a house wrap that really drains moisture, it's time to change channels. Literally, to revolutionary new RainDrop House Wrap. RainDrop is an advanced moisture control house wrap with specially designed channels that won't crimp, collapse, or flatten out. RainDrop's unique fiber channel construction manages moisture like no other house wrap. Perfect for all types of siding, RainDrop's unique contour allows moisture to drain from the house wrap surface, and it breathes to allow moisture vapor to escape. Switch to RainDrop House Wrap today. It's superior moisture management and outstanding overall house wrap performance, all rolled into one.